careful which size sandpaper you use, for guys. This worked for me, but it might not work for you. As you can see here, just using detergent and use the circular motion pattern, doing both sides. And it's best to rinse and repeat after you finish with each grit. Wash it and then more soap. Now these pads here, the 2000 I'm using, they're quite cheap and I just happen to have a couple spare from other projects. Now I'd recently bought this battery operated rechargeable orbital sander, so I thought just to give it a higher polish cut through, it might do a good job. So you can use the variable speeds, and I went from 1, then to 2, and then to 3. And of course, if you don't have any power tools, you can use elbow grease, and might take a little bit longer though. And this woolen pad, like the other pad, make sure you make them nice and damp, and then I like to spin any excess water off just by giving it a bit of a power up, and then get into the polishing stage. And of course, as a beginner, don't be afraid to try. If it doesn't work, you might have to go back one stage and try again till you get the results. And for the restoration I'm doing, I'm really happy the way this turned out. The finish is great. And for those that are interested, if you want to see this video on how to pull down your speedometer and repair it or reset it, I'll leave a link in the comments below. Follow or subscribe for more. Thanks guys.